Okay, I'm just recording the simple trace of the style variable. As you can see, if not empty get style and auth ACL get a styles and not defined admin start, you can see where this looks a little suspicious. So I'm going to investigate it in video form so we can actually see what's going on here. It is a pain in the butt because I believe ACL get, which is a very convoluted um, mechanism, is responsible for sanitizing before we get down here, because it looks like it would add in style here, but it won't. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to step into. I guess it bypassed that time. Oh, I know why. Hold on. We gotta stop that. Cancel that. Load that. Okay, if we looked in the last time, you could see what happened. It's because this isn't actually set. So if I actually continue it step, you can see it actually oversteps it. But watch, I'm gonna stop it. Okay, so I loaded it up again. Oh, gotta hit stop. Cancel that. This time we'll go and style equals smooth. I'll go ahead and run it. Okay, here we're back. We can just go ahead and play it. Okay, this time you're going to be able to see, since we added the get style here, it'll actually enter ACL get. Here we go. So negate equals false. That's 0, and this option is A styles. So we're going to step into it. Okay, so this cache with F is 0. Look up here, this cache with F is 0, so there is only 0. So it's checking to see if that's set. It shouldn't be set. I don't think it is set. It doesn't look like it's set right there. Yeah, it's not set. So this cache F, so 0 and opt is going to equal false, where opt is a styles. See this ACL options. ACL options. Where you can see an array of elements. There's a set of IDs for these actions. There's A styles right there. A styles is 77. So we should be able to step it. It goes in. Yep. Just like how we expected. If is set this ACL 0. Okay, here we can see the ACL 0, which is all ones. I guess they're all set all the way across to zeros. So ACL is going to be 0. Yep, it's set. Okay, so we're going to step it. So the cache is going to be 0, options equals. So it should be this. So cache F opt is going to be that. Okay. So none of this gets executed. So this cache f opt. This cache 0 a style. So it's gonna be 1. This is gonna be true. So this comes back as true. This is true, and I'm assuming this is true. So global SID and extra URL. Here you can see style equals request variable. So it's set from right here, I believe. Actually, no, it's set from right here. See that right there? It's set to moo. That comes in directly from the outside. So if it's an array, it does default thing, get type default. This might be something we're gonna have to look at to see if we can abuse it in any way. So if it's not an array, yeah, okay. What is default? So the default is gonna be 0. Okay, so it's the default might be where the type is set. So let's step again. So is it an array? I don't think it's an array. Yeah, okay, here's where we experience a bit of problem. Here we have set var, which works off of the string itself, so it's going to manipulate the string. Type and multi-byte is going to be false. Okay. Yeah, I think that the type right there is set from right here. And since default is set to 0, it automatically goes to integer. So the default type is going to be integer. So when it calls set var here, which we're going to enter, you can see set var. This is going to be the result. This is going to be the variable value. And this is going to be the type. You can see it's integer here. Okay, so it calls set type on variable. Results variable. Hold on. Yeah, I think set type right here converted moo into a 0. So we can safely say that. Hold on, let's step. We can safely say that the value returned from get var, I think was the name of this or something. Request var. We can safely say that the default is always an integer. Therefore, what's returned is always an integer. So style will always be 0. It'll always be 0 unless it's a numeric value. Okay, stop this video.